Hello everyone, my name is Miss Sharon Roshan, teacher from Trinity International School. So today we'll be learning letter K. Today we'll be learning letter K. So first we'll trace the letter K with the index finger, standing line, then slanting line, and again the slanting line. This is letter K. So this is capital K. Then again standing line, slanting line, again the slanting line. So this is small letter K. This is small letter K. K for kite. K for kite. So say the names of the picture that begin with K sound and color them. So K for kitli and K for kangaroo. So color the kitli with the crayon color. Start coloring. So this is K for kitli. Okay, this is how we have colored with yellow color, and next we'll color the kangaroo with brown color. So use your crayon color to color the picture. K for kangaroo. So we have completed coloring the picture. So now we'll trace the letter K. We'll start tracing the letter K. K for king, K for kiwi. So standing line, make a slanting line, again the slanting line, that is K, capital letter K. Standing line, slanting line, and then again the slanting line is K for king, K for kiwi. Standing line, slanting line, and again the slanting line, K for kiwi. Start from the green dot, from red line to blue line. Standing line, slanting line, again the slanting line is K for kiwi. Standing line, slanting line, again the slanting line is K for king. Next, there is a small letter K. There is a small letter K. So this is small letter K. Standing line, slanting line, and again the slanting line. Okay, standing line, slanting line, and slanting line. This small letter K. Start from the red line, standing line, and then the slanting line should be only from the blue line. Slanting line and slanting line. So this is small letter K. Start from the red line to blue line. So again we will start from the red line, standing line, slanting line, again the slanting line. So this is small letter K. K for keys, K for king. So we'll write where there is no tracing dots. Okay, from the red line to blue line, standing line, then slanting line, and again the slanting line. This is K for king. Standing line, slanting line, again the slanting line. K for kiwi. So in this way you have to complete this page. Next, you have to write letter K, capital K, and you have to write letter small k. That will be your homework. Okay, so draw the circles around K and small k, and then join them as shown. Draw circles around K and small letter K, and then join them as shown. So draw circle here, then you can join this. Understood? Draw the circle here, then you can join it. Same way, downward, draw the circle, again the circle, slanting line. Draw the circle like this, join them. Okay, draw the circle, again the circle, and then join them. This is how you are going to draw the circles, and you have to join it. So write K below the pictures. Write capital letter K and small letter K below the pictures. So capital letter K and small letter K. This is small letter K. Okay. K for kite. Standing line. Then like this, slanting line. Like this. K for kangaroo. Okay. Capital K and small k. Okay. K for kiwi. K for kitli. Okay. K for king. K for king. So now match the capital letters to small letters. Now you have to match the capital letters to small letters. So match the capital H to small h. Match the capital I to small I. Match capital J to small j, and match the capital K to small k. So look at the picture and circle the correct letter in each row. So we'll have to see the pictures and then we'll have to circle the correct letter. Okay. So J for jellyfish. So circle the letter J. Circle the letter J for jellyfish. The next is K for kite. K for kite. I for injection. I for injection. Next, H for horse. So circle the letter H for horse. Next, say the names of the pictures and write H, I, J or K below them. Then match the letters. Say the names of the pictures and write H, I, J or K below them. So this is H for hat. I for igloo. Next is I for ink. H for house. So now you can match this H for house and H for hat. I for igloo, I for ink and I for igloo. In this way. Then write J for jar, small capital and then small. K for key. K for kitli. J for jeep. So match J for this, K for key. This is how you are going to match it. So now look at the pictures and fill in the first letter to complete the names. So आपको पिक्चर्स देखने हैं और फर्स्ट लेटर आपको लिखकर उसे कंप्लीट करना है. So let's start. Which picture is first? There is a picture of Kitli. So write K for Kitli. Okay. Which picture is this? C for car. Then this is the picture of alligator. See, A for alligator. Then this is a picture of igloo. So write I for igloo. G for goat. H for hen. And J for jacket. So write the missing letters here. Okay, so we are going to write the missing letters. A, then B, and what is next? C, D, then E, F, G, H, I, J, K. Next, write the letters that come after the given letters. So what is after C? D. आपको इसके बाद जो आता है वो लेटर लिखना है. What comes after letter F? After F, G. What is after letter J? K. After A, then B. After G, H. After B, C. This is way you have to write. In this way you have to write. D, E. Then H, I. E, F. Okay. So next, write the letter that comes between the given letters. Write the letter that comes between the letters. A, B, C, D. आपको between के letters लिखने जो बीच में आएंगे. between. D और F के बीच में कौन सा आएगा? D, E, F. I और K के बीच में J. B और D के बीच में B, D, A, B, C. So between letter कौन सा है? C. So what is between H and J? Which letter is between H and J? H, I, J. What is after G? H, I, F, G, and H. E, F. What is after C? D, J, K, and L. So write K. So write here the missing numbers. Write the missing numbers. A, B, C, then D, E, F, G, H, I, J, and then K.